హాయ్ హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఏపీ గ్రామ వార్డు సచివాలయానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఏసీ మిషన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ వెయిట్ అంటే ఏపీ గ్రామ వార్డు సచివాలయానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ పోస్ట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి పార్ట్ బిలో మనకి 2 టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి వచ్చి కంప్యూటర్ బిట్స్, రెండోది వచ్చేసి తెలుగు మనకి ఎలక్ట్రికల్ బిట్స్. సో ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఎలక్ట్రికల్ బిట్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. అందులో మనకి సిలబస్లో ఉన్నది ఏసీ మిషన్స్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఫుల్ టాపిక్ అండ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్ కూడా ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఫుల్గా అంటే ప్రతి టాపిక్ సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ అనేవి ఈ వీడియోలో ఎన్ని వరకు ఫుల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో కొన్ని బిట్స్ అనేవి మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో వచ్చేదానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ వీడియో స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎన్ని వరకు క్లారిటీగా చూడండి. ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి గంట సింబల్ మోషన్ ద్వారా నా మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్ మీరు పొందగలుగుతారు. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, ది బేసిక్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ ఈజ్ టు చేంజ్. ఆన్సర్ ఏ, ద లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ వోల్టేజ్. సెకండ్ బిట్, in an ordinary transformer, which of the following does not change? Answer C, frequency. Third bit, the efficiency of power transformer is. Answer D, 95%. In a transformer, electrical power is transferred from a primary to secondary. Answer B, by magnetic flux. Fifth bit, the two windings of transformers are. Answer B, inductively linked. Sixth bit, transformer action requires a. Answer C, alternating magnetic flux. Seventh bit, the flux created by the current flowing through primary winding induces EMF in. Answer D, both primary and secondary windings. Eighth bit, the primary and secondary windings of a transformer always have. Answer A common magnetic circuit. Ninth bit, the iron core in a transformer provides dash path to main flux. Answer A, low reluctance. 10th bit, if rated DC voltage applied instead of AC to the primary of a transformer. Answer B, primary transformer will burn. 11th bit, a transformer transforms. Answer C, voltage and current. For an ideal transformer, the window should have. Option A. Answer D, no ohmic resistance on either side. 13th bit, the core flux in a transformer depends mainly on. Answer B, supply voltage and frequency. 14th bit, when a voltage is transformed from primary to secondary, then it is dash. Answer B, multiple by K. 15th bit, the applied voltage of a certain transformer is increased by 75% while the frequency of the applied voltage is reduced by 25%. The maximum core flux density will. Answer B, increase by 3 times. 60th bit, the low voltage winding of 400 by 230 volts single phase 50 Hz transformer is to become connected to a 25 Hz supply in order to keep the magnetization current at the same level in both the cases. The voltage at 25 Hz should be. Answer C, not 115 volts. 17th bit, a 50 Hz transformer having equal hysteresis and eddy current losses at rated excitations is operated at 45 Hz at 90%. If the rated voltage compared to rated operating point, the core losses under this condition. Answer C, reduced by 14.5%. 18th bit, a single phase transformer when supplied from 220 volts 50 Hz has eddy current losses of 50 watts. If the transformer is connected to a voltage of 330 volts and 50 Hz, the eddy current losses will be. Answer B, 112.5 watts. 19th bit, 1 kVA 230 volts 50 Hz single phase transformer has an eddy current loss of 30 watts. The eddy current losses when the transformer is excited by a DC source of same voltage will be. Answer D, 0 watt. 20th bit, at 50 Hz operation, single phase transformer has hysteresis losses of 200 watts and eddy current losses of 100 watts. Its core losses at 60 Hz operation will be. Answer C 384 watts. 21. On no load phasor diagram of transformer, the core losses component of the current remains in phase with. Answer B primary supply voltage. 23rd bit. In a transformer, the exciting current will be in phase quadrant with the impressed voltage rate provided. Answer C. Both the leakage impedance drop and the core losses are ignored. 24th bit. The power factor of power transformer on no load will be about. Answer D 0.35. 25th bit. The power factor of a transformer on no load is poor due to answer A magnetizing reactance of the transformer. 26th bit. Primary winding of a transformer comprises of two identical windings in parallel. If one of the winding is removed, magnetizing current will be. Answer C doubled. 27th bit. If the core flux of a practical transformer with resistance load, answer A is strictly constant with load changes. 28th bit. The inductive reactance of a transformer depends on. Answer D leakage flux. 29th bit. The flux is transformer core. Answer C remains constant irrespective of load. 30th bit. The mutual flux in a loaded transformer can be varying by varying. Answer D reluctance of the magnetic path. 31st bit. The primary ampere turns are counterbalanced by. Answer A secondary ampere turns. 32nd bit. In a transformer, dash decreases with the increase in leakage flux. Answer C secondary terminal voltage. 33rd bit. Power transformer from primary to secondary depends upon. Answer D magnetic coupling between primary and secondary winding. 34th bit. Transformer is supplying pure resistive load. The power factor is on primary side will be. Answer B about 0.95 lag. 35th bit. The phasor diagram of a transformer and load can be drawn only if you know. Answer D all of the above. 36th bit. When a transformer is operation and no load, the primary applied voltage is approximately balanced. Answer A primary reduced EMF. 37th bit. In the transformer circuit mode, the core losses is represented as a. Answer C shunt resistance. 38th bit. Full load voltage regulation of a power transformer is 0 when power factor of the load power factor of the load is near. Answer A unity and leading. 39th bit. In a transformer 0 voltage regulation at full load is. Answer B possible at leading power factor load. 40th bit. Positive voltage regulation is an induction of dash load. Answer C either inductive or capacitive. 45th bit. In a power transformer, if in a place of a sinusoidal wave, a peaked wave voltage field of the primary. Answer D iron losses will be less. 46th bit. On which of the following factors does hysteresis loss depend? Answer B 1 and 2. 47th bit. The full load copper losses and iron losses of a transformer are 6400 watts and 5000 respectively. The copper losses and iron losses at half load will be respectively. Answer B 600 watts and 5000 watts. 48th bit. The main purposes of performing open circuit and a transformer is to measure. Answer B iron losses. 49th bit. Power transformers are designed to have maximum efficiency around. Answer A nearly. 50th bit. The transformer efficiency will be maximum at power factor of. Answer B unity. 51st bit. What is a load which maximum efficiency occurs in case of 100 kVA? The transformer with iron losses of 1 kW and full load copper losses of 2 kW. Answer B 70.7 kVA. 52nd bit. A 2 kVA transformer has iron losses of 150 watts, full load copper losses of 250 watts. The maximum efficiency of transformer would occur when the total loss is answer B 300 watts. 53rd bit. The size of transformer core depends upon answer D both A and B. 54th bit. The permissible flux density in a cold rolled grain oriented steel is about answer A 1.80. 50 bit. Transformer oil must be free from answer A moisture. 56th bit. A 10 kVA 400 or 200 volts single phase transformer with 10% impedance draw steady short circuit line current of answer C 250 amperes. 57th bit. The efficiency of two identical transformers under load conditions can be determined by answer A back to back rest. 58th bit. Transformer will operate at maximum efficiency when answer C copper losses to iron losses. 59th bit. Which part of transformer is subjected to a maximum heating? Answer C winding. 60th bit. Zero sequence current flows from a line into transformer bank if the windings are answer A grounded star delta. 61st bit. Magnetizing current in transformer rich in harmonics. Answer A third harmonic. 62nd bit. The transformer fed from fundamental frequency voltage source. The source of harmonic is the answer D saturation of core. The outer cage of double spiral rotor is consist of answer A magnesium brass. 64th bit. In the equivalent CKT of a double gauge induction motor, the two rotor cages can be considered answer A to be parallel. 63rd bit. The purpose of the starter is to answer A limit the starting current. 66th bit. For a starting a three-phase induction motor is about of its full load rated current. Answer C 5 to 7 times. 67th bit. Synchronous speed of an induction motor can be increased by answer D increasing supply frequency. 68th bit. While operating on a variable frequency supplies, the AC motor requires variable voltage as well as in order to answer B avoid the effect of saturation. 69th bit. In rotor resistance control of an induction motor, the hardness of the speed torque characteristics answer B decreases. 70th bit. During plugging an induction motor answer A phase sequence is reversed. 71st bit. The method that gives continuous speed control of a slip ring induction motor is answer B secondary Forgen voltage control. 72 bit. In case of voltage injection method, the speed control of the injection EMF should off. Answer B slip frequency SF. 73rd bit. Induction generator delivers power at answer A leading power factor only. 74th bit. The primary winding of a charge motor is located answer B in lower part of the rotor. 75th bit. Linear induction motor is used in answer A traction. 76th bit. In a split phase motor, the ratio of turns on auxiliary winding to that main winding is answer B less than 1. 77th bit. Why is centrifugal switch is used to single phase induction motor? Answer C to cut off the starting winding at appropriate instant. 78th bit. The torque speed characteristics of two phase induction motor is largely affected by answer C XR ratio. 79th bit. The capacitor in a capacitor start induction run as DC motor is connected in series with answer A starting winding. 80th bit. In a shaded pole motor, the shading coils are using to dash answer C produce rotating magnetic field. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు ఈ వీడియో స్కిప్ చేయకుండా క్లారిటీగా చూసినట్లయితే సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ మోగడం ద్వారా నా మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్ వీడియోని పొందగలుగుతారు. సో ఈ వీడియోకి డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో నేను మీకు రిమైనింగ్ వీడియోస్ లింక్స్ ఇస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.